Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to move and win. And white pawn is moving forward in this direction and black pawn is moving downward in this direction. There is only a single way and idea to win this game. If you don't find that move, it's going to be just a draw. So you can pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so first off, if we push to d8 and queen, that doesn't work unfortunately, because what black can do in this position is push its own pawn, get a queen that comes with check, and obviously we have to move the king somewhere, and black is going to simply grab the bishop. This is going to be just a theoretical drawn position, right? So queening doesn't work. So what other option do we have? We can actually play bishop to g2, and that looks very nice. There is some kind of follow-up, but again this doesn't work because black is going to get a queen with check, and we are moved into a problem because now black can start giving us checks, and we can't actually win this, right? This is the best check for black, and we don't have a queen though, right? So this is not going to work. The only correct move in this position is to push the pawn to promote that pawn not to queen but to a knight. So the idea is the black king cannot move, right? And we have a really nice idea of checkmating pattern. So if black promotes to a queen here in this position, we are going to block the check, and we are going to give a counter check, which the king is forced to move to a8, and we are going to play bishop to a6 and bishop to b7 to the checkmate, right? So that is our follow-up. And in this position, after we defend the check, black cannot do much. Black can actually capture our knight, but with a bishop, we are going to win this, right? So this is going to be a really easy win for us. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. This is kind of simple if you found the first move. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.